Now I'm going to make some ricotta so I can make some lasagna tomorrow. So we're starting off with 1.5 cups again of our cashews that have been soaked. To that we're going to add in 1/2 cup of water, probably about a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, probably do about a teaspoon, or let's say a heaping teaspoon of minced garlic. We'll do a small dash of onion powder and a little bit of salt and pepper. You may want to add more salt and pepper when it's done, just to kind of taste on that. Then we're just going to go ahead and stick the lid on and start it on up. Down. I'll probably only need to do this once. Put this back on, maybe another 30 seconds and we'll be done. Taste it, see if I need to add any more salt or pepper to it. I am going to add a little bit more. I really don't taste it at all. And I'm just going to kick it on for a few seconds here to get that mixed in, and then it's good to go.